Hello dear friends, in this video I will show how to book or schedule AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate exam. First of all, open any browser and then type Pearson VUE AWS login. Hit the enter button, click on first website, scroll down. Here we can see continue to log in. So click on it. It is redirecting. I have already logged into my account, so it is directly redirecting to my account. This is how it looks. So here click on exam registration, click on schedule an exam. Here scroll down. Here it is AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate. Click on schedule. Processing, please wait. Here we can see important exam information. Use a personal computer for on your option. How do you want to take your exam? In person at a test center. It means we need to go to one test center and have to give the exam. Online with OnView means we can give the exam anywhere like home, office, wherever remotely. So we are going to book online with OnView. Before scheduling the exam, please check these things. Computer, your testing space, your ID, what to expect. So click next. This is very important. What is your preferred language for the exam? So by default English. Next. User agreements. So click all checkboxes. Click agree. So what is the language you prefer the proctor to speak? So it is also by default English. Click next. Now check the time zone according to your country. Yes, that's right. So choose the date. I am going to schedule the exam 24th. So here click on explore more times. It will show the available slots between 9:15 a.m. to 1 p.m. So I want 11 a.m. slot. Here click on book this appointment. Here we can see Friday 24th July. Check-in time 10:30 and start time 11 a.m. So here proceed to checkout. So if you are having any voucher or promotion code, you can enter that promotion code or voucher code here and can apply. Or if you are not having any vouchers, just make a payment using your card by selecting the card type. This is how you can schedule the exam. Once you have applied the voucher or done the payment, here you can see in this dashboard your exam. Thank you so much for watching this video.